Hi guys, it's Virtue and you are watching my channel Bank on Gate and wish all of you Happy Republic Day. So let's start, and our math is the value of limit extends to infinity under bracket 1 plus x square to the power e to the power minus x is option A 0, option B half, option C 1 and option D infinity. This math came to the GATE examination 2015 CSC department second set, and we used to solve this math use short tricks, and the short tricks is limit x tends to infinity 1 plus f of x 1 by to the power 1 by g of x equal to e to the power limit x tends to infinity f of x by g of x. Clear? This is on the power of e. This is on the power of e. Clear? So from this math limit x tends to given math infinity 1 plus x square e to the power minus x. That means we can write by expanding limit x tends to infinity 1 plus x square, and this one is written by 1 by e to the power x. Clear? So here f of x means if we compare this with this, f of x means x square and g of x means e to the power x. So we can write it on the form, this form, e to the power limit x tends to infinity f of x means x square and g of x means e to the power x. If we put the value of infinity on the place of x, so we get infinity by infinity, and that we give the answer infinity. So this is invalid form. So we apply L'Hospital rule here. And how we apply L'Hospital rule? So we take upper part limit separately x tends to infinity x square e to the power x. If we apply L'Hospital rule, that is x tends to infinity, derivation of x square means 2x and derivation of e to the power x means e to the power x. Clear? But then we put the value of infinity, that is also infinity by infinity form. So this is invalid form. So we again apply L'Hospital rule, and after applying L'Hospital rule, that we will limit x tends to infinity, this one will 2 and this one e to the power x. Clear? Now put the value of infinity on the space of x. If we put the value of infinity on the space of x, that means e to the power infinity, 2 by e to the power infinity. 2 by e to the power infinity means infinity. That means 2 by infinity, that means 0. Clear? That means 0. So this gives 0. So from this e to the power 0, and e to the power 0 means 1. Clear? So our option C, so option C 1 is right answer. Clear? Very simple math if you apply the tricks. Please remember the tricks. Thank you guys. If you like my video, then share it to every GATE aspirants and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification, because I come to my channel probably every day with some new math based on GATE mathematics and other examination. Thank you. Have a great day.